Investing in AI for luxury can seem daunting, but it's an exciting opportunity for growth. With advancements in technology, luxury brands can leverage AI to create personalized experiences for their customers. But how exactly do you start investing in AI for luxury? In today's video, we're diving into how to invest in fancy stuff using smart computers. We'll talk about how these clever machines can make shopping even cooler. Let's start by understanding how these computer tricks can make shopping more fun. Then, we'll check out where you can put your money in these high-tech shopping companies. So, are you ready to learn about making shopping super fancy with smart machines? Investing in AI for luxury. Understanding how to invest in AI for luxury is like discovering a new game where smart machines make shopping cooler. It's exciting to learn about how these clever computers can make fancy shopping even fancier, all customized just for you. But it's also important to be careful because investing involves both risks and rewards. With the right knowledge, though, you'll feel confident to join this fun adventure of making luxury shopping even more special with AI. Market analysis. The luxury AI market is booming, like a rocket shooting up into the sky, driven by more and more people wanting special, personalized experiences and the cool advancements in AI tech. Market experts say that this global luxury AI market is expected to grow a lot in the next few years, reaching really big numbers. It's like a big game where both the big, famous luxury brands and the new creative startups are playing. They're all using smart computer tricks to make luxury shopping even fancier and more fun for everyone. So, it's not just about buying fancy things anymore. It's about creating these super special, tailored experiences that make us feel like royalty when we shop. Investment strategies. When considering investment opportunities in AI for luxury, it's crucial to adopt a strategic approach. One strategy is to invest directly in luxury brands that are embracing AI technologies to enhance their offerings. These brands may be leveraging AI for customer relationship management, product customization, or supply chain optimization. Another approach is to invest in AI-focused venture capital funds or startups specializing in AI solutions tailored for the luxury market. This allows investors to gain exposure to the growing AI and luxury sector while diversifying their investment portfolio. Evaluating opportunities. Before you decide to invest your hard-earned money, it's important to take a good, close look at all the opportunities in the luxury AI world. This means doing your homework, really digging deep into the companies you might want to invest in. You'll want to check out things like how they do business, what makes them better than their competition, and if they're likely to grow in the future. It's like peeking behind the curtain to see if their fancy AI ideas can really stand the test of time. And don't forget about the boring stuff, like following the rules and making sure they're playing fair. After all, you don't want to get caught up in any legal messes or lose out on your investment, because someone else owns the rights to the cool AI stuff they're using. Risks and challenges. While investing in AI for luxury presents promising opportunities, it's not without its risks and challenges. One of the primary challenges is the ethical implications of AI-driven technologies, particularly concerning data privacy and algorithmic bias. Luxury brands must navigate these ethical considerations carefully to maintain consumer trust and brand reputation. Additionally, there's the risk of technological obsolescence, as AI evolves rapidly, necessitating continuous innovation and adaptation by luxury brands to stay competitive. Emerging trends. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, several emerging trends are shaping the future of AI in luxury. One such trend is the rise of AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots, enabling luxury brands to provide personalized concierge services and streamline customer interactions. Another trend is the integration of AI into physical retail spaces, creating immersive shopping experiences through technologies like augmented reality and computer vision. Moreover, advancements in natural language processing are enabling luxury brands to leverage AI for sentiment analysis and social listening, gaining valuable insights into consumer preferences and trends. Implementation strategies. Once investment decisions are made, it's essential for luxury brands to develop robust implementation strategies for integrating AI into their operations seamlessly. This involves identifying key areas where AI can add value, such as personalized marketing campaigns, demand forecasting, or inventory management. Collaborating with AI experts and leveraging cutting-edge technologies can facilitate the smooth implementation of AI initiatives, ensuring alignment with business objectives and delivering tangible results. Talent acquisition and training. An often overlooked aspect of AI implementation in luxury is the importance of talent acquisition and training. Luxury brands need to recruit skilled professionals with expertise in data science, machine learning, and AI development to spearhead AI projects effectively. Furthermore, investing in ongoing training and upskilling programs for existing employees is crucial to build a culture of innovation and ensure that staff members are equipped with the necessary skills to leverage AI tools and technologies effectively. Measuring ROI and performance metrics. To gauge the success of AI investments in the luxury sector, it's essential to establish clear performance metrics and mechanisms for measuring return on investment, ROI. This may include metrics such as customer engagement rates, sales conversion rates, or cost savings achieved through AI-driven efficiencies. By regularly tracking and analyzing these metrics, luxury brands can assess the effectiveness of their AI initiatives and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance and maximize ROI. Regulatory and legal considerations. As AI technologies become increasingly integrated into luxury operations, it's critical for brands to navigate regulatory and legal considerations effectively. This includes compliance with data protection regulations, such as GDPR, and ensuring transparency and accountability in AI decision-making processes. Luxury brands must also address ethical considerations surrounding AI, such as ensuring fairness and non-discrimination in algorithmic decision-making and protecting consumer privacy rights. By proactively addressing these regulatory and legal considerations, luxury brands can mitigate risks and build trust with consumers and stakeholders. Empowering human creativity with AI. While AI holds tremendous potential to augment human capabilities, it is essential to recognize that creativity remains the hallmark of luxury craftsmanship. Rather than replacing human ingenuity, AI serves as a complementary tool, empowering artisans and designers to unleash their creative potential and push the boundaries of innovation. By harnessing AI-driven insights and tools, luxury brands can amplify their creative endeavors, ushering in a new era of artistic expression and aesthetic refinement. Future trends and opportunities. Looking ahead, the trajectory of AI in luxury investment heralds a realm of boundless possibilities and untapped potential. As technological advancements continue to unfold, we can anticipate the emergence of novel AI-driven solutions, ranging from augmented reality, AR experiences, to hyper-personalized recommendations, revolutionizing the luxury shopping journey. Moreover, the convergence of AI with other disruptive technologies, such as blockchain and Internet of Things, IoT, holds the promise of unlocking new dimensions of innovation and value creation for luxury brands, positioning them at the forefront of the digital frontier. In conclusion, investing in AI for luxury represents a compelling opportunity to capitalize on the convergence of technology and luxury. By understanding the role of AI in enhancing customer experiences, conducting thorough market analysis, adopting strategic investment strategies, and navigating potential risks and challenges, investors can position themselves for success in this burgeoning sector. As AI continues to reshape the landscape of luxury, staying abreast of emerging trends and case studies will be key to unlocking value and driving sustainable growth. Thanks for tuning in to learn about investing in AI for luxury. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable insights in the future. Until next time, happy investing.